I'm gonna go ahead and get under the covers. You can choose the way you wanna do it. You can lie down flat on top of your bed. You can get nice and tucked in. If you're someone who sleeps alone at night, one way to create a sense of safety, security, and comfort is to tuck yourself in like we used to when we were kids. And that's just having like a really tightly made bed so that when you get underneath, you feel yourself really secure. When we do that, that allows us to soften our bodies, recalibrate our nervous systems, and to create a feedback loop of calm. So now I'm gonna get in the bed. So when you get yourself nice and cozy in bed, then we can begin. I'm not lying down because I'm gonna be guiding you through, but what I would encourage you to do is find yourself nice and flat, spread yourself nice and wide, extend and open your legs and your arms like a snow angel, and lie on your back if that feels comfortable. If it doesn't, you can lie on your side, but not on your stomach. We really want to maximize breathing, specifically diaphragmatic breathing. Good, so when you find yourself comfortable, we can begin. And we'll start this meditation practice by simply grounding and making ourselves aware of the space that we're in. What might feel comfortable is placing your right hand on your belly. And as you do so, on the in-breath, you'll feel the belly rise. And on the exhale, you'll feel the belly fall. And so continue breathing and feeling that connection. The softening of the body starts to really sink into the bed as you become more relaxed. Inhaling and exhaling. You may notice that there are sounds around you, whether you're in the city or in the countryside. And just allow the sounds and anything happening in the ambient space to just pass through. Inhaling and exhaling. Bringing the right hand up to your heart, you can leave the left hand now on the belly and just feel the connection. If you're still enough, you can start to feel not only your heartbeat and the breath, but you can become connected to the internal landscape, the rhythmic patterns happening and the cycles unfolding within your body, and become attuned to the present. Receiving a breath in through the nose, and as you exhale with a deep sigh, inhaling just allowing yourself to sink deeper into the bed, feel more supported, feel release. Starting with the lower part of the body, and at your own pace, I invite you to engage the muscles in the feet with flexion and then extension, flexing the feet, then pointing the toes and relaxing and releasing. With the backs of your legs, from the ankles up to the calves and behind the knees. Feel extension and press the legs into the bed and release. And again, and release. Moving up the backs of the legs, feeling your hamstrings. Press firmly into the bed as you flex and release. And flex and release. Feeling your glutes as you sink deeper into the bed and flexing and release. And flex and release. Feeling the spine in connection with your bed. Allow yourself to feel heavy, sink even deeper into the bed. Round the spine and release. And round and release. Feeling the head as it rests, supported by pillows. And curl the cervical spine so your chin comes down towards your chest. And release, inhale. Exhale, chin to chest. The dedication, the prayer, whatever feels aligned with your own practice. It could even be a word that you want to bring into focus for your dreaming landscape. I invite you now to bring that into your focus. Releasing the palms and bringing them back to your heart center. Just gently bow your head. And place your hands down onto your bed, onto your comforter. Tuck yourself even in more comfortable. And allow yourself to continue breathing and find your way into a deep and restful sleep. See ya.